Hey everyone, it's Megan and I am here because it's Thursday. So it is time to get back to our Throwaway Thursday series. And today we're going to be talking about toxic candles. So if you are anything like I was, you probably have some of these candles in your house. I still have a couple. I use them as decorations now, like for my Thanksgiving table and stuff. But I'm going to talk to you guys about why you should not burn candles in your house and what you can replace it with. So a lot of us use candles to mask unwanted odors, right? And also for a relaxing ambiance, and also to just kind of unwind, like if you want to take a bath or something like that and just unwind. A lot of times we'll have candles burning, right? So the research shows that regular scented candles are a huge source of indoor pollutants. So they actually put off chemicals that are as dangerous as secondhand smoke. That is staggering. That totally scared me into making some changes. I never realized that my candles were that bad, or that they were, potentially causing major issues with my family. Excuse me. Most candles are made of paraffin wax, which turns into a carcinogen when it's burned. So this paraffin wax has to be deodorized and bleached chemically before it can be made into a wax. So toxins released from candles are the same as the ones released from diesel car fuel. Is that crazy? And that's been super reduced in our environment because it's causing havoc in the environment. And we're talking about outside. We're talking about inside your house with those candles. So really, really scary. Toss them. So that's what's wrong with the wax. Now let's talk about the actual wick. So the wick is supposed to be made out of cotton or paper, but 30% of them are still containing heavy metals. Heavy metals are so dangerous for your body. They lead to developmental delays, cancer, allergies, and asthma. So we definitely do not want any heavy metals. And then, as I stated before, that paraffin petroleum waste that they use to make the wax, it can cause brain damage. It can cause lung issues like lung cancer, headaches, asthma, kidney and liver tumors in animals, and developmental delays. So toss those candles. So those are two big issues. But the third one is also really harmful, and that is the actual fragrance, because as you guys know, we've talked about this before, in so many of our products they use something called fragrance, and it's artificial chemicals that they don't have to tell us what they are, and they can put it in anything. So that smell that we're trying to get the ambiance for, get rid of our odors, is actually causing tons of issues, hormone disruptors, and all kinds of things going on with that. So toss those. What are you going to replace it with? So there are a few options. For ambiance, you can get a battery operated candle. So I have a few of these around my house. I actually have a little remote that turns them on, which is cool. So you can put them inside your decorations and use them for your ambiance, and it's got a little battery on the bottom, and you can set the timer. So you don't have to worry about it staying on and burning your house down either. That's another concern. You could also buy soy wax or unscented candles. But the thing with that is you're not getting the smell. You can also get beeswax candles, but again, you're not getting the smell. So in comes your diffuser. So your diffuser, number one, is going to help with the smell, right? Because you're diffusing 100% all natural young living essential oils in here. But it also creates a beautiful ambiance. And I'm showcasing this particular diffuser because it has different modes in it. You can change the color. You can even put it on the candle mode so it flickers and looks like a candle burning, which is super cool. So not only does it mark all of those things, the reasons why you're using your candles, right? It's setting the mood, it's It's getting rid of the unwanted smells in your house, but it's also helping you to unwind, and it's good for your health. So I'm going to talk about some of the reasons, some of the benefits of diffusing. So number one, it promotes better sleep. So if you diffuse while you're sleeping or before you're ready to go to bed, you know as well as I do how amazing it is. And I just wanted to add in there that you don't have to worry about your diffuser catching on fire. So if you wanted to burn a candle at night, what if you fell asleep and forgot about it and it's got all those fumes going in your air, or it could catch on fire? But with a diffuser, all of the Young Living ones have an automatic shut off, so you don't have to worry about that. It's going to shut off when it runs out of water. But if you want to promote better sleep, you can diffuse essential oils such as cedarwood, lavender, peace and calming, valor. These all influence your limbic region of the brain, and they help to improve your sleep cycle. So we start diffusing in our house about 20 to 30 minutes before bed. We also use our oils topically, but it's a great way to get everybody kind of thinking about going to sleep and get your brain ready for that relaxation time. The second benefit of diffusing is supporting your immune system. When you diffuse for immune support, you can diffuse thieves or cinnamon and clove and orange. Smells so good. You could diffuse raven or eucalyptus or oregano, and all of these oils help to help with the production of white blood cells in your body, and they actually help to boost your immune system. So that's a huge added benefit. The third benefit that I wanted to highlight to you guys for diffusing is clearing the air and supporting your respiratory health. So we talked about when you're inhaling all those toxins and fragrance from the candles, it can cause lung issues, even cancer. So when you're diffusing, you're actually supporting your respiratory health and helping your lungs work to their optimal ability. So I would recommend diffusing raven, RC, peppermint, tea tree, pine, and rosemary to help with those, with supporting your breathing and your respiratory care. The fourth benefit that you can get from diffusing is to help you with focus and concentration, cognitive functioning. So while those candles can cause developmental delays and all these other issues with children and like cause brain fog and all this other stuff, your diffusers can actually help to increase your oxygen level to your glands that support mental health and acuity. How cool is that? So I'd recommend diffusing brain power, which is a great blend, or lemon, peppermint, vetiver, frankincense, and sandalwood are always great ones for that. Fifth reason is to support your emotional health. So we were talking earlier about one of the reasons why I used to burn candles was to help unwind. Like, okay, I'm gonna burn some candles and lay down in my bath and kind of relax from the day, right? So, but when you're using essential oils and diffusing, you can actually support your emotional health, because the oils elevate emotions and assist with de-stressing, and they can help to decrease feelings of anger and increase positive environments in your surroundings. So for me, when I'm trying to help improve my mood, I'll use peace and calming, stress away, frankincense, valor, nutmeg is another great one, northern lights, black spruce, and orange are all really good ones. And then last but not least, they help repel unwanted guests like bugs. So that's just a nice added benefit if you diffuse purification or citronella, peppermint, lavender, tea tree, rosemary, or lemongrass. It will help keep those unwanted guests out of your house. So get those candles out and toss them out of your house, because you don't want them emitting any toxins even when they're not burning. Sometimes they can, and you can certainly smell the fragrance. And replace them with your diffuser and maybe some battery operated candles as well. Comment below and let me know what you're going to be diffusing and what you're tossing. The other thing that I love about it, I like to change the smells a lot and change them with the seasons. And when I would buy candles, I would burn them about half the way and I'd be like, oh, I'm totally sick of this, or it's making me nauseous or giving me a headache, which now it does immediately because I have gotten rid of them all and now I'm really sensitive to it. But one of the things I love about diffusing is that you can change it up all the time. So you make a combination, diffuse it for a few hours, and then you're like, oh, I'm in the mood for something totally different. Or there's a holiday coming and I want to diffuse something that's a fall scent or summer scent or Christmas. So the options are just absolutely unlimited. So if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to my Detox Coaches channel on YouTube, and you can click on the little bell to get notifications when I post new videos. I hope you guys have a great day, and please comment below and let me know what you are throwing away and what oils you like to diffuse to replace them with. Have a great day. Bye-bye.